Hello, guys and girls. Today we are going to talk about the admission process to NITs that are the National Institute of Technology. Few steps before heading to your dream college. Prepare so hard your competitors can't even believe that you made it. Then get a good rank and apply for JOSA, Joint Seat Allocation Authority counseling. First, let us discuss about the process of counseling. Log into the counseling portal of JEE, fill all the required details like JEE roll number, etc. Now it's the time to choose colleges. Select the colleges that you wish to join. कुछ लोगों को अपने स्टेट्स के कॉलेजेस से पढ़ना होता है, कुछ अपने स्टेट से बाहर के कॉलेजेस में पढ़ना चाहते हैं, तो अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन चूज. Select the branches or the streams you want to pursue career in. Now let us get some information about the rounds in counseling. First, mock round. On the basis of the choices filled, a college with specified branch will be allotted to the child. Howsoever, there is mock round so he or she can refill or edit the choices chosen by him on counseling portal. तो mock round में you can edit your choices. इसके बाद हमारे पास है round 1. After the mock round, this round takes place and no editing or correction takes place in the choices once this round starts. If the allotted branch and college are one's choice, he or she can lock it, otherwise move to the next one. तो राउंड 1 में आप कोई करेक्शन या एडिटिंग नहीं कर सकते हो, और पहले राउंड में अगर आपको अपने चॉइस का कॉलेज मिल गया तो आप अपनी चॉइस लॉक कर सकते हो. अगर डिजायर्ड कॉलेज नहीं मिला है तो मूव टू सेकेंड राउंड. Now, round 2. If there will be promotion, new branch from the choices filled will be allotted to which one can lock. तो नेक्स्ट ये जो सेकेंड राउंड है इसमें आपको डिजायर्ड कॉलेज मिल गया है तो यू कैन लॉक इट. अदरवाइज राउंड 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th में जाके आप चॉइस अपनी चेंज कर सकते हो. अगर सेलेक्टेड डिजायर्ड कॉलेज तुमको मिल गया तो यू कैन लॉक इट, अदरवाइज मूव टू द नेक्स्ट राउंड. इसके बाद है राउंड 7 विच इज द फाइनल राउंड. आफ्टर दिस राउंड, इफ one will not lock his or her seat, it will be lost and will not be able to take part in further admission process regardless he or she has applied for any round. So final round mein you will have to lock your choices, otherwise you will lose any college you have got. So do remember ki final round mein you will have to lock. इसके बाद let us know about the special rounds. The CSAB special round of counseling is conducted with the objective to carry out smooth and transparent admission process, minimizing the number of vacant seats and allowing the candidates get admission to the course and institute of their choice. तो स्पेशल राउंड में ये इंश्योर किया जाता है कि एक स्मूथ और ट्रांसपेरेंट प्रोसेस हो एडमिशन की, और जो भी वेकेंट सीट है वो फिल हो जाए. Let us know about the process. CSAB will be conducting 2 special rounds for which the fresh registration is mandatory as per the schedule given on CSAB website. Remember, fresh registration करना है. All the candidates who have accepted and paid the partial admission fee against the JOSA allotted seat and want to participate in CSAB special round are required to register on CSAB portal and pay the CSAB special round non-refundable processing fee of rupees 2,000. Their partial admission fee already paid will be considered as participation fee for CSAB special rounds, and this amount will be transferred to the finally admitting institution. Such candidates will be participating in the special rounds while retaining their seats for which they have already secured admission after the JOSA rounds. But in case a new seat is allotted in CSAB special round, then previously allotted seat of JOSA rounds will be automatically cancelled and the candidate will not have any claim on the previously secured seat. तो जो स्टार्टिंग के राउंड्स थे उससे अगर सीट मिली थी तो स्पेशल राउंड में सीट मिलने से पहले के राउंड्स की जो सीट होगी वो कैंसिल हो जाएगी. The candidates who had already paid the seat acceptance fee during the JOSA rounds but their seat was withdrawn or cancelled. Last allotted seat which was withdrawn or cancelled must be from the NIT system only. It's not IIT here. After document verification are required to pay only rupees 2000 as non-refundable processing charges. Their seat acceptance fee already paid will be adjusted against the participation fee for CSAB special rounds, and this amount will be transferred to the finally admitting institution. This will not be applicable if the last allotted seat is withdrawn or cancelled from the IITs. Now, all the registered candidates are required to fill fresh choices. Earlier filled choices for the candidates who participated in JOSA earlier will not be considered in this round of the seat allotment. If the candidate fails to explicitly lock his or her choices within the stipulated time, his or her last saved choices will be automatically locked after the deadline as per the CSAB special round schedule. So remember, अगर खुद अपनी choice lock नहीं करोगे तो अपने आप ही आपकी choices lock हो जाएंगी. The candidates are therefore strongly advised to lock the choices themselves. A registered candidate who did not fill any choice or failed to save them even during the choice filling process will not be considered for seat allotment and admission in CSAB special round. It's time to have some more information on JOSA, that is Joint Seat Allocation Authority Counseling. After the seat has been allotted to a candidate, he or she is required to log in to their account on JOSA portal to accept the allotted seat and strictly follow the JOSA schedule for subsequent activities. They're also advised to start the process at the earliest without waiting for the last day of the scheduled deadline in order to avoid the last minute hustle. So remember, पहले से ही start हो जाओ, and last time में it can be a bit problematic. Based on the candidate's rank, his or her category, and choices of the programs, he or she has been provisionally allotted a seat in the academic program and institute shown in his or her login. After the login in, following steps have to be performed for confirmation of the allotted seat. First is that the candidate is required to submit the willingness option, and this is online. Freeze. Candidates accept the offered seat and indicate that they are content with the allocated academic program and they do not want to participate in further rounds of seat allocation. Such candidates will not be considered in subsequent rounds of admission. तो इसमें कैंडिडेट हमारा फुली सेटिस्फाई हो गया अपनी सीट से और वो फर्दर किसी राउंड पे नहीं जाने वाला है, fully content with the seat allotted. Second, we have here slide. Candidates accept the offered seat and indicate that if admission to an academic program of better or higher preference is offered within the same institute, they will accept. Such candidates will be considered in subsequent rounds of admission. तो स्लाइड में कैंडिडेट चाहता है कि उसको सेम इंस्टीट्यूट में कोई बेटर प्रेफरेंस मिल जाए. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हमारा कैंडिडेट जाएगा अगले राउंड के लिए. Float. Candidates accept the offered seat and indicate that if admission to an academic program of better or higher preference in any institute is offered, they will accept it, else they will continue with the currently accepted academic program. Such candidates will be considered in subsequent rounds of admission. इसमें भी हमारा कैंडिडेट हायर प्रेफरेंस के लिए जाता है और अगर हायर प्रेफरेंस नहीं मिली तो वो ओरिजिनल पे आ जाएगा. For the candidates who choose the float or slide option, allocation of a seat in an academic program of his or her higher preference would automatically result in the forfeiture of the seat accepted by the candidate in the earlier round. Slide and float options will be available to only those candidates who are not offered admission to their first choice. Slide and the float options are not available in the last round of the seat acceptance. Except in the last round of seat allocation, a candidate can change from float to slide or freeze and slide to freeze by reporting at a reporting center. Second, candidate is required to upload the document as per the list of the document which is given in the business rule. We have documents like class 10 certificate or board certificate, 12th mark sheet or state of eligibility proof, category certificate if it is applicable, disability certificate if it is applicable, medical certificate, OCI or the PIO card if it is applicable, passport or the citizenship certificate if it is applicable. Then we have crossed bank check or photocopy of the passbook, screenshot PO sector of the online account, DS certificate if it is applicable. Third is pay the seat acceptance fee. It is 35,000 for the general economically weaker sections also, and OBCs also. It's rupees 15,000 only for SC, ST and the disabled candidates. Fourth, we have the uploaded documents will be verified online by the verifying officers. Fifth, during the online verification, verifying officer may raise queries which will be visible to the candidate in their login account on the JOSA portal. Sixth, candidates are advised to respond to the queries as soon as possible as there may be further query raised by the verifying officer. Candidates are also advised to visit login account frequently till their entire queries are resolved. So remember कि एक बार login करके छोड़ना नहीं है. Be frequent with your login. You will have to answer the queries on time. Seventh, the candidate is mandatorily required to respond the queries raised by the verifying officer within the stipulated time period mentioned in the schedule for each round. In case the query has not been responded, the allotted seat may get cancelled. Time पे login नहीं किया, frequent नहीं रहे, queries answer नहीं करी, you may lose your seat. Remember this. Eighth, the forged documents at the time of admission, if the documents submitted by the candidates are found to be forged or fake, then seat allotted will be cancelled. तो fakeness दिखाओगे, real documents नहीं रखोगे तो seat cancel होनी ही है. Ninth, we have after the online verification of the documents, the seat may be confirmed or cancelled at the provisional seat confirmation or seat cancellation letter will be generated based on the updated credentials of the candidate. 10th, the candidate can download the document verification cum seat acceptance letter or seat cancellation letter from their account only. 11th, seat upgradation. If the candidate accepts the allocated seat with floating or slided option, and if he or she is allotted a different seat in a subsequent round, then his or her currently offered or the accepted seat will be automatically forfeited. 12th May, in the subsequent rounds, candidates with slide or float options have to check their account for any upgradation in the allotment and may update the option. 13th, in case the candidate has been allotted a seat in NIT system in one round and his or her seat is upgraded to IIT system in subsequent rounds, or vice versa, candidate will not have any claim on previously allotted seat. Moreover, in such cases, his or her uploaded documents will be verified again in the new system. Such candidates must have to respond to the queries raised by the verifying officer in the new system. If any failing, which his or her currently allotted seats will be cancelled and the candidate will be out of the JOSA counselling. 14th, all the candidates who have been allotted a seat first time in any round have to follow all the above instructions. 15th, the candidates may use the withdraw or the exit options if they wish. इसके बाद हमारे पास आता है state of the eligibility document. You have to go for the proof of the place of passing your class 12th. Upload any one document whichever is applicable. Admit card और class 12 की mark sheet भी है. Passport in case class 12 passed from outside India. Thank you everyone. That was all for NIT counselling process.